everyone, Teeny here. I hope you're having a lovely Thanksgiving Eve. I hope you have the day off and you are in a crafty mood. Today we are not going to do any card making. I do want to share with you the brand new Papertrey Ink November 2025 release. It just arrived yesterday and I get to share it with you today, along with a little bit of snippets is what I like to call them, of what things can do. And I think you guys are going to really be excited about this release over at Papertrey Ink because they have some really fun new things. And so with that being said, we are going to jump in and get started. First off, I'm going to share with you some cover plate dies, okay? This is the largest cover plate die. This is called the Elegant Ornament Die Collection. And you can see this is a brand. This is a cover plate, so it's an A2, so 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. And then there's layering elements that you can mix match on the large one. There's even a background that's the same size as this ornament, so if you want to pop it up, you can. There's also the string that you can add if you want to die cut it out with some silver or gold cardstock. You can do that. And then of course there's snowflakes, there's stars, there's little polka dots that could be snowfall in the back. Sorry. These are the I didn't realize I wasn't in frame. I'm so sorry. But these are little polka dots here with little dotted detail, and then you have some little circles that you can create some polka dots on for the larger ornament, or you can create some snowfall in the background. There is a greeting in here that says joy. So many fun things that you can do with it. Let me share with you what I created with it. I went with greens and teals, and I did pop up the word joy right over the larger image, and then I did a little bit of splattering right over the top of that. Added some polka dots and some gems and snowflake over here, and then just a little boa because you know I like texture. And that's the cover plate die. Now when you cut this out, it's one piece. Okay, so this is great on its own. If you don't want any dimension to your cards, all you'd have to do is die cut out your fancy layers and add it. Okay, so this is one of the cover plate sets. Papertrey Ink came out with several more, and I'm super excited. Let me move along to this next one. The next one is called the Snowman Die Collection. And then you have all the elements to create this little snowman. How fun. He's cute on its own. I mean, I think he'd make a cute little tag topper. How cute is this? But this matches the cover plate beautifully. You can see here. So you can pop up your snowman or just decorate the one that's on here. There is a greeting on here that says the believe. I didn't die cut out the extra one, but if you want dimension, you can stack them, add it to this one. I just think that's so neat. In the background on a piece of white cardstock, I just ink blended. Okay, now this doesn't have snowfall, although the buttons you can actually turn into snowballs if you want. And then there are some cheeky layers if you want to add. I just used a Copic marker for the snowman's cheek. But there's buttons and mittens. I added a little gold accent to my mittens here, but you can add them over the branches if you want. How cute is that? The snowfall that I put in the background, I just used the circle paper punch. And I punched out a whole bunch of white cardstock and I added it to the background just for some fun polka dots. But the Snowman Die Collection is brand new to the shop. There's even a snowbank. How fun is that? So that's a new die set. Our next cover plate die set is called Peace on Earth. And you have some trees that you can layer. You have stars that you can layer. And then there's of course a greeting that's great on its own. This is what I did here. I popped up those trees on the bottom, offset them a little bit, made it look like they were a shadow. And then I die cut out my stars several times because these two are the same. You have one star here, so you die cut out those stars twice along with these and these. Then I added a little bit of snowfall in the background. It didn't take any time at all, and I just love these cover plates. So that's a brand new one. Our next cover plate set is called Let It Snow. It's all about snowflakes. You have a full background filled with snowflakes. Okay, I popped up my Let It Snow and offset it a little bit. I put pop-up foam behind it, so we have some dimension there. And then I die cut out there's 2 extra snowflakes, and then you have some some dots that you could put in the background or on the snowflakes. And of course the greeting. I die cut out my extra snowflakes and layered them on my background with silver glitter cardstock. So we have a little bit of shine there. And that was all there is to that. Boy, you can make some quick and easy cards that are just stunning with these cover plates. Okay, so 4 brand new cover plates. Let me show you all 4 of my projects. I mean, so 4 cards you can make in an instant just using the elements and the die sets. How neat is that? Okay, now, so we have Ornament, Snowman, Peace on Earth with Christmas trees, and we have Snowfall, Snowflakes. Papertrey Ink also made some tags that are sets. Okay, what I mean by that is this first one here is called Holiday Tag. And if you want to make some beautiful tags that are coordinated for you, this set's for you. I created this little tag here. Oops. Didn't mean to flop it over. I put some gems on it, and I stacked all 3 of the snowflakes well, actually there's 4 snowflakes in here. I didn't die cut out this one. I just did these 3 and stacked them. And then I die cut out my Let It Snow. You have let and it are just 2 separate words, and then you have the snow. Then you have this fun little tag. I mean, you can't get any cuter than that. Papertrey Ink coordinated it. So this is the Let It Snow die collection. Just like the cover plate, we have a holiday tag that's Peace on Earth that has the same kind of layering trees on the bottom. You have the Peace on Earth here. And then you also have the star that you could layer. There's several stars in here that you can layer on your tag. I popped up my little trees here with a little bit of dimension. So this is the Peace on Earth die collection, part of the holiday tags. Okay, just like our cover plates, we have a Elegant Ornament die collection. This one has an ornament that you can create 2 different ones with, like I did here, or a solid one if you'd like. There's the word joy, and then you have a band that can go across the ornament if you'd like. There's a string that you can add. You can add that to the tag or to the ornaments, and then there's the ornament topper. So how fun is this? You can't get any quicker or easier when the tag sets are just made for each other, right? Okay, there's one more tag set. This one here is called the Snowman die collection. I mean, how cute is he? So you get the little snowbank, the scarf, the hat, the buttons, the mittens, his little branch arms. You have his eyes and his cheeks and his nose all included in here. So, so cute. So this is the holiday tag Snowman die collection. And just like our cover plate, there's 4 sets that are similar, and you can create some fun, quick and easy tags with it. Now we're going to go over our stamp sets. We have, this is Big Sentiments, the Christmas tags. So of course you have your tags here. If you want to decorate the back, this is the set for you. You can add greetings because there is a die set that will cut them out. There is even a rounded rectangle in here with the to and from. If you wanted to stamp it on here, like mass produce it, and then stick them on the back of the tags, I think that's just adorable. The die set will cut out everything in the stamp set. So that is brand new. Next up, we have a really fun stamp set that will coordinate with most of our arched dies. Papertrey Ink has a fabulous arched die set. This is called Christmas Wishes. And I love that there's a greeting that says, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. There's a die set that will cut out that in an arch form. I just love that. Then there's a tree. There's a die that will cut that. And there's 2 greetings that go with wishing you a Merry Christmas. You have enjoy throughout the season and a Happy New Year. Okay, I didn't die cut mine out. I just die cut out my tree, but I stamped it with white ink. Okay, and I thought if you wanted to use your arches and cut this out, I think that'd be really pretty to make it even arched card base. So the Christmas Wishes is a 4x6 stamp set, and it's brand new. There's another 4x6 stamp set that is so versatile. I mean, for customizing Christmas cards, birthday cards, anniversaries, or any kind of greeting card, really. All you need is an alphabet. This is called the Classic Alphabet. Okay, and then you do have a coordinating die set. The die set does have the ampersand, and it does have some punctuation, which is nice. Okay, I went ahead and stamped hello. When you stamp it and die cut it out, it does leave a little bit of a border. So you can use any color of ink, you can still have that white border. That's brand new to the shop. Okay, the Reflections stamp set, die set, and the panel set for November 2025 is called Isaiah 40. It's actually Isaiah 40 verse 8. Okay, and it says, the grass withers, the flower fades, but the word of our God stands forever. How pretty is that? I just love it. This is what that looks like when you cut it out. How fun is that? And then this is the layering elements. There's dotted detail on these. You see how pretty that is? They layer great together, and nice thing about these is they could go this way or they could go this way. So you can mix and match them. Okay, and they look really great on an A2 size card. You see how pretty that layers right there? And it layers nice this way too. Or if you wanted to layer them like this and stack it, I think that looks really nice too. So the Reflections Isaiah 40 stamp set for November is just fabulous. This month there's a brand new In Frames die set. This is the circle die collection, okay? There's 3 circles in here, okay? Now what this does is cuts out a circle frame, but it also cuts out the inside piece. So there's double dotted detail on here. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, when you cut it out, you see the double dotted detail? Love that. When you cut these out, you get the frame. You know, I love my frames. And then I stuck mine together, but you see how it'll cut out like this. Just like that. Okay, but there's dotted detail on all of these. Let me show you. So this is a nice little circle die set. It's brand new, the In Frame Circle Die Collection. And last but not least, there's another stamp set. This is considered a 6x8 stamp set, but it's actually 2 4x6s. Okay, so when you get your stamp set, there's actually 2 4x6s. The images in here are so pretty. It creates a beautiful pine cone, and then you have this beautiful bow that has roses on it. It's so pretty, and then when you layer it together, it just creates a beautiful two-tone bow. This little piece is like a string to put on top of the pine cone when you attach the bow. And then there's 2 greetings. You have Heaven and Nature Sing, and you have Wishing You Peace. The die set will cut out the pine cone, the bow, the little ring that you can hang, and then also both of the greetings. This is called the Adorning pine cone, and look how gorgeous it is. It's layering. There's just 2 layers. They're indexed so you know which is which. 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. I did that backwards. 2A, 2B. But look how pretty. Isn't that beautiful? You could actually, it does cut out the inside of this. So you could actually attach this as a tag if you wanted to your present. I just think that's gorgeous. You can coordinate the bow with the wrapping paper. I mean, because brown I think goes with everything. But that is brand new. It's called the Adorning Pine Cones. And that is everything in the release this month. What I was really excited about was the holiday tags. I mean, they make tag making so easy because everything is for you. And if you get 2 sets, you could interchange. Like this, the bottom of the snowbank will fit on this tag and this tag into this tag on the bottom. So you can switch out the tags too. All the tags are, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but all the tags are different. We have a rounded top, a little scallop top, a rounded corner, and then you have the traditional tag. And then of course you have all of the cover plates. These are kind of like Instacards. I mean, that you don't have to do much because the die set does it all for you. So you can create some Instacards pretty easy. Need a card and a flash? These sets are perfect for that. But that's the brand new Papertrey Ink November 2025 release. I'll leave a link for Papertrey Ink shop down below if you want to head on over and check it out. Before I go, I do want to mention one thing. I want to mention that I am so grateful for all of you. All of you I am so thankful for, and I appreciate all of your comments. They make my day. I appreciate you guys watching my videos because it keeps me going, keeps me creating more, and I appreciate all of you, and I'm so glad you're on this card making journey with me, and you are one of the many things that I am grateful for this Thanksgiving season. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful holiday. Have a wonderful crafty weekend and a wonderful crafty month if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.